Kia ora, my name's Luke Grover. I was the project manager on the BIM assignment. I was accompanied by James Hoskin and Toby Bates, who are 4D timeliners, as well as Ben Moore and Troy Griffiths, who filled the roles of quantity surveying. My main role as the project manager consisted of providing guidance through each phase, as well as reviewing the tasks completed and providing feedback on these tasks so that the utmost quality of work could be completed. Finally, I also provided communication between the group's queries and the assigner of the task. Also, I took responsibility of completing the submission, and this submission can be seen here throughout this video, where the final BIM building design can be seen in the attached image. This video will cover the process of each part of the project, and additionally how each of these different parts were performed. I hope you enjoy the video, and I'll let the boys get on to describing their individual parts of this role. Thank you.
My name is James, and I was a 4D timeliner for this project. One of my roles was to create the Aeon diagram. This involved combining tasks where possible and making decisions about the start to finish, finish to start, and relationships between the different projects. Once this was completed, the activity durations were imported into BIM, where they were ran in the timeliner function to visually verify if they were in the correct order. Once some tweaks were made, the critical path was able to be decided, and we could proceed with the project.
Hi, my name is Ben, and I was responsible for quantity takeoff. This involved the process of extracting and calculating the quantities of materials and components for the engineering office. Quantity takeoff was completed for both the structural and architectural models of the engineering office. Navisworks Managed 2024 was used to perform the quantity takeoff. CSI 16 was the catalogue used to organise the quantity takeoff. For the structural model, sets were made for items constructed of the same material. This allowed the cost estimator to estimate the cost of groups of items by using material cost. For example, the steel columns were grouped together with the steel bracing for the roof and floor. For the architectural takeoff, the building architectural components were split into sets according to which group of components they belonged to. After both quantity takeoffs were completed, these were extracted into Excel files. The first photo on the screen shows the structural takeoff, the second shows the architectural takeoff. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Toby, and I was one of the 4D timeliners and worked on Navisworks. Once the Aeon diagram was created, the building was scheduled in Navisworks, showing a comprehensive 3D model of how the building will be built and the machinery needed, as can be seen. To get the machinery to move, we used the animator tool, showing where on site they will be moving. To create the building from start to finish in Navisworks, we needed to create sets and tasks. From there, we set durations for these tasks based off the Aeon diagram. This video shows our building incomplete using drone-type camera shots to show both the interior and exterior features. As we can see, once the exterior walls go up, we go inside the building to see the interior layout. Finally, the camera pans out, showing the building in full. This was the team's first time using BIM, and we all learned a lot through this process. It's a powerful tool for planning and to visualize construction. These learnings will be used in our future careers.
For the cost estimation task, we needed to estimate the material cost and the labour cost for the structural model of the engineering office. To do this, a quantity takeoff was performed by Ben for the structural model. The structural model file contained all the required information to perform a cost summary. The cost summary sheet summarizes all the structural elements by their cost code and calculates the material cost and labor cost associated with each element. This will give us the total cost per element. The cost summary sheet also includes important information such as the volume and the length of elements. We can summarize all the total cost per element for the total cost for the project of the engineering office. The total cost was $247,736.
Hi, this is Luke Grover again, Project Manager. Thank you again for watching our video, and I hope you enjoyed it.